welcome back to another video. So in this one, we're going to work on some coolant piping, intercooler piping, heater core piping, stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these heater core hoses that I got from Z1 and go ahead and throw those behind the motor. So that way I know that that is done. I feel that the more things I put on there, the more difficult this is going to be to do. So I want to get that knocked out. After that, I'm going to take our non-turbo intake, which consists of this and these two pipes. I am like 70% sure that it will fit back into the car. This is the NA stuff. And then I'm going to take this adapter that I got from eBay. It was dirt cheap. It was like 10 bucks. I'm going to stick this on the MAF, which is inside this box. And then we're going to get a good idea of how much clearance we have, right? Because it's going to come here, and I need to know how much clearance I have between here and the bumper so I can measure that out and go ahead and order a filter. I'm going to order a K&N filter from their website based off the dimensions that are going to fit in here. So knock that up, fit that. We need to clean these two because these things are pretty gross. Here I have the intercooler brackets. Now if you're doing a turbo conversion, honestly, I think you could probably make these out of aluminum just by, bending them and cutting them.
Cheap metal.
Yeah, I think I got these on eBay for like 50 bucks maybe or something like that. These do have a lot of overspray on them, so sorry, John, we're gonna have to clean these. But yeah. So, and then some of the other stuff we got that goes with that. Here is the Z1 intercooler piping kit or whatever. The color I chose to go with. I'll show you one of these if it's not too much of a pain in the butt.
It's just black.
Zoom out right here. Actually, I could show them this one. I'll pull this one out. We just went with your old standard black, trying to go for that OEM Plus look. And then the couplers are also all black. So
all of them are pretty light too. Like this is nothing.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a little bit lighter, and these are supposed to be 2.5 inches in diameter, so it's going to be less restrictive than the factory intercooler piping. So we got all that stuff. I don't think we're gonna be able to route all of it, but hopefully we can just at least put the intercoolers in. I'll show you those in a minute. Here's the intercoolers. Again, these intercoolers were standard with the Z1 kit. Easy to take out. That's what they look like